Let's go out to eat. زی چې بهر خوراک خوړو لزو. Let's go out to eat. Okay, let's go. صحیح ده زی چې زو. Okay, let's go. Where do you want to go? ته چرته تلل غواړې؟ Where do you want to go? Let me think a minute. پرېږده چې یو منټ سوچ وکم. Let me think a minute. I like Italian restaurant. زما ایټالین رستوران خوښ دی. I like Italian restaurant. That sound delicious. دا خوندور ښکاري. That sounds delicious. I know a good Italian restaurant. زه یو ښه ایټالین رستوران پیژنم. I know a good Italian restaurant. How far away is it from here? دا د دې ځای نه څومره لرې دی؟ How far away is it from here? It's only 5 minutes from here. دا د دې ځای نه صرف 15 منټه لرې دی. It's only 5 minutes from here. Do we need reservation? آیا موږ ته د بوک کولو ضرورت شته؟ Do we need reservations? Oh no, no need. نه هیڅ ضرورت نشته. Oh no, no need. Let's go now, I'm hungry. زی چې زو وزه وږی شوی یم. Let's go now, I'm hungry. This is a very popular restaurant. دا یو ډیر مشهور رستوران دی. This is a very popular restaurant. The waiter are very polite here. د دې ځای خدمتګار ډیر اخلاقی دی. The waiter are very polite here. And they are very neat and clean. او هغوی ډیر پاک صفا دي. And they are very neat and clean. I come here often. زه دلته کله نا کله راځم. I come here often. Me too. زه هم. Me too. Dinner was very delicious. د شپې روټۍ ډیره مزیداره وه. Dinner was very delicious. Thank you. ستا مننه. Thank you. It is a chicken soup. دا د چرګ سوپ دی. It is a chicken soup. It's looking nice. دا ښه ښکاري. It's looking nice. I added little salt and corn in it. ما په دې کې لږه مالګه او جوار اچولی. I added little salt and corn in it. The pizza was good too. Pizza هم ښه وه. The pizza was good too. Everyone likes Greek pizza. هر څوک یونانی پیزا خوښوي. Everyone likes Greek pizza. And the sweets are too good. او مټایي ډیره ښه ده. And the sweets are too good. Really, that's nice. رښتیا دا ښه دی. Really, that's nice. I can't wait anymore. زه نور انتظار نشم کولی. I can't wait anymore. Please call the waiter. مهرباني وکړه خدمتګار راوغواړه. Please call the waiter. What's the matter? څه معامله ده؟ What's the matter? I want to change this fork. زه دا پنجه بدلول غواړم. پنجه یو قسم لغاښوره چمچ ده چې په انګلیش کې ورته فورک ویلی کیږي. I want to change this fork. This fork is too big. دا پنجه ډیره غټه ده. This fork is too big. How waiter will help you. خدمتګار به ستا مدد څنګه کوي. How waiter will help you. Give me a better fork. مال یوه غوره پنجره. غوره یعنی بهتر. Give me a better fork. Let's leap. ځئ چې ځو. Let's leap. But we just got here. خو موږ دلته وس راورسېدو. But we just got here. Did you see the waiter's hands? آیا تا د خدمتګار لاسونه ولیدل؟ Did you see the waiter's hands? No why. نه ولې. No why. He had dirty fingernails. د هغه نوکونه سخاو. He had dirty fingernails. His nails were too black. د هغه نوکونه ډیر تور وو. His nails were too black. That's disgusting. دا ډیر سخا دی. That's disgusting. I'd like to buy a bottle of water. زه د اوبو بوتل په بیه اغستل غواړم. I'd like to buy a bottle of water. I understand everything. زه په ټولو پوهیږم. یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ زه په هر څه پوهیږم. I understand everything. Wait a little bit. لږ انتظار وکړه. Wait a little bit. Where is the ATM? ATM کوم خوا دی؟ یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ ATM چرته دی؟ Where is the ATM? How peaceful. څومره پرسکون. How peaceful. Don't rub. سولوه ما. Don't rub. Keep your word. په خپله خبره کلک اوسه. Keep your word. The books are expensive. کتابونه ګران دي. The books are expensive. How many children do you have? ستا څو واړه دي. How many children do you have? I have nothing to say. زما سره د ویلو هیڅ نشته. I have nothing to say. I didn't understand anything from it. ما ته د دې نه هیڅ پویه حاصله نه شوه. I didn't understand anything from it. I have left the job. ما نوکری پرېښودې ده. I have left the job. I'm really pleased. زه واقعي خوشحاله یم. I'm really pleased. Not a single one. یو هم نه. Not a single one. I know how to do it. ما ته پته ده چې دا څنګه کول دي. I know how to do it. What a shame. څومره د شرم خبره ده. What a shame. So what. نو څه. So what. Winter is about to be over. د یخنۍ موسم ختمېدو واله دی. Winter is about to be over. Call me once. یو پیره راته کال وکړه. Call me once. I am extremely sorry. زه ډېره زیاته بخښنه غواړم. I am extremely sorry. I want to buy something. زه څه په بیه اخیستل غواړم. I want to buy something. I don't care. زه هیڅ پروا نه کوم. I don't care. The house is to let. د کرایې دپاره کور شته. The house is to let. It was your greatness. دا ستا غټوالی و. It was your greatness. little by little لگ لگ کا little by little give him a call هغه ته کال وکا give him a call oh shit oh نا oh shit it is forever mine دا تل د پاره زما دی تل د پاره یعنی همیش د پاره it is forever mine do you have anything to say about it آیا تا سره دی باره کې د ویلو سشتا do you have anything to say about it I have only $10 ما سره صرف $10 دی I have only $10 I shall not be able to come زبرا نشم I shall not be able to come یا تاسو داسې مویلی شئ زبه دراتلو جوګه نشم I don't want to come زه راتله نه غواړم I don't want to come I am just yours زه صرف ستایم I am just yours It doesn't make any sense دا سمانه نه لري It doesn't make any sense The village is covered with clouds په کلي وریځې راغلي The village is covered with clouds I am so tired زه ډېر ستړی یم I am so tired I am confused زه وارخطا یم I am confused I am happy زه خوشحاله یم I am happy I am 23 years old زه د 30 کالو یم I am 23 years old I am hungry زه وږی یم I am hungry I am thirsty زه تږی یم I am thirsty I am nervous زه یریږم I am nervous I am excited زه په جوش کې یم I am excited I am leaving work زه کار پریږدم I am leaving work I am from Afghanistan زه د افغانستان نه یم I am from Afghanistan I am extremely tired زه ډیر زیات ستړی یم I am extremely tired د دې نور ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبریږئ Thanks for watching